Hi, you will see where my aircon gas is leaking. As you can see, the gas is leaking from here. It's leaking here, yeah. In the corner, it's leaking from there. So is it leaking from that corner there? See, it's clearly leaking. Something wrong with the. So they put the gas back into the machine. As the gas is leaking from here. Lots of leakages here. So obviously they couldn't continue this. So they have to stop the machine.
See the pipe, it was leaking here. I'm checking.
So you can see the leakage.
I cleaned it.
It's leaking from this corner on this bend. So I have to weld it through a professional welder. It's leaking on the edges of this. As you can see, it was leaking. So I have to open it, take out. But luckily I took 2 screws and I just pull towards outside, and the welder so I can easily weld outside. So as you will see that I pull it towards outside from my car. So I didn't physically take outside. So you can see these are the pipe. I pull towards outside for the welding, because you can't weld when the pipe is inside. As you can see, I removed towards outside. Here's the pipe. As you can see, I tried at home, but unfortunately couldn't successful. So I took to the professional welder. He did welding for these things. As you can see, he cleaned the surface first, and you'll see the result after that. So that's the final result of after welding. So this is like a proper fixed, as you can see. So after that I installed back to my car, and I put the new gas in, and after that my car start working fine. And last thing I want to mention, please don't forget to replace these 2 O-rings which come with the aircon pipe. So you must have to replace these ones. So before welding, obviously you need to take off and you need to replace the new one. So after that, so there you go. After replacing, obviously you can use your aircon, especially in the summer. Obviously you need it, and that's work very well. Thank you for watching.